Following the addition of copper as a result of panel plating, we may now apply an image on the outer layer copper foils matching the Gerber data. This allows us to form the outer layer pattern that will both define the functionality of the printed circuit board as designed by the customer, and allows the customer to add components to the circuit board, delivering the functionality of the electronic device. This is a similar process to the one for inner layer imaging, where we apply a circuit pattern onto photosensitive dry film using UV light or laser direct imaging. The main difference here is that for outer layer imaging, we want to remove the dry film where we want to keep the copper, where we want to define the circuit pattern. It might sound odd, but this is because during later stages, we wish to add some extra copper only where the circuit pattern is, in order to achieve the final thickness for the outer layer copper, both for the surface and through hole. As before, there are two ways to apply the outer layer image to the panel. The first is by using laser direct imaging, and the second is by using artworks or films and exposing them to UV light to create the image. It's important to have good control over the imaging process, starting with a well-applied layer of dry film being applied to a perfectly clean panel, and that no dust or debris is within the department, as dust or debris stuck between the panel and the artwork can cause problems as we try to image the circuitry. Therefore, it is crucial the process must take place in a very tightly controlled, clean environment using the right equipment.